Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm the creator of this video and I'm delighted to have you with me today through my avatar and cloned voice. In this new adventure, I'm taking you to Playa de las Américas, one of the most exciting destinations in Tenerife. Get comfortable and join me as we explore one of the island's liveliest and most vibrant streets. Okay. Kanina gaan komen over. Tik, tik, tik.
Da ist natürlich kein Regen, es ist nie frische Luft.
Nee, es is nie regen.
Es ist immer die gleiche Luft, oder?
Dat is niet lucht.
Wenn es bei uns mal regnet, dann kommt wieder ein bisschen frische Luft.
Ja, we krijgen lucht. Dit gaat zanden.
Ja, jetzt
Oh, het geen wind. Maar nu wind is dort.
ja.
Zeker. Dat is de wind. Today we'll walk together through the most lively street in Playa de las Américas. Along the way you'll discover its unique atmosphere, bustling shops, restaurants, cafes, and the vibrant energy that attracts visitors from all over the world. This walk will give you a real sense of the local lifestyle and the dynamic spirit that makes this area one of Tenerife's most popular destinations. Before we begin, please support my channel by subscribing, giving this video a like, and turning on the notification bell so you never miss any of my future adventures. Your support helps me continue creating high-quality travel content with my avatar and cloned voice, bringing you amazing destinations from around the world. Thank you for being here and enjoy our tour of Playa de las Américas.
Widzimy się, zobaczymy w ogóle jak to jest.
A, jeszcze słony chwilę. Chodź.
Arrodillado, saco, gritaba a los 132 y estaba chico esa viveza que juega con mi comida, está jugando.
We are now in the heart of one of the liveliest streets in Playa de las Américas. As you can see, this area is full of life, with its many shops, cafes, restaurants, and vibrant atmosphere. Through my avatar and clone voice, I'm happy to share this walk with you and give you a closer look at one of the most popular and exciting places to visit in Tenerife.
Yeah, of course.
What makes this street so special is its constant energy and the mix of visitors from all around the world. Whether during the day or in the evening, the area is always lively and offers a different experience at every moment. As we walk along, you can truly feel the welcoming atmosphere that has made Playa de las Américas one of Tenerife's most famous destinations. Personally, I really enjoy this part of Playa de las Américas because of its friendly atmosphere and vibrant character. It's a great place to take a walk, observe local life, and enjoy the unique spirit of Tenerife. I hope you're enjoying this virtual tour and that it helps you experience this amazing location as if you were right here beside me through my avatar and clone voice.
No, it's grato. Ja, das ist schon spaziert. Ja, Spaziergang mit Tempo, oder? Kein Frisier.
We have now reached the end of our tour of the most lively street in Playa de las Américas. I hope you enjoyed this walk. Thank you for spending this time with me, my avatar, and my cloned voice. Your support and company mean a lot. I look forward to seeing you again soon for another exciting adventure and new discoveries. Personally, I really enjoyed exploring one of the most vibrant streets in Tenerife. From the busy shops and restaurants to the lively atmosphere, it perfectly reflects the energy and charm of Playa de las Américas. I hope you enjoyed this visit as much as I did, and that it has inspired you to discover this amazing destination for yourself. Before you go, please support the channel by subscribing, giving this video a like, and turning on the notification bell so you never miss any of my upcoming videos. Your support helps me continue creating high-quality content with my avatar and clone voice. Thank you very much for watching, take care, and I'll see you in the next adventure.